So being in a role like 3HTI, we really need to get in there and understand client challenges and problems so that we can help them solve those by leveraging the solutions we highly recommend. And then, of course, working with their data, being a sales company, right, trying to work closer with their clients. There's a lot of change going on within organizations, and we can't always be on top of it. Clients are adding divisions. And by using a tool in real time, like RocketReach, where we can own our own data, we realize very quickly that just like our clients getting products to market faster, we need to find people faster. So it really helped us when we're educating our sales organization in how to plan and work alongside a client so that we can help them grow with the technology investments they've made. And it kind of starts with understanding their organization. So that's where RocketReach has helped immensely.